We've got a train getting ready to head to Boston North Station, MBTA. Looks like we might have two trains because the lights are facing green and red, so I think we're gonna have a double train. This train is gonna stop at the platform because we have somebody there. We are here in Melrose Highlands. It's definitely an MBTA. Signals are going down here in Melrose Highlands. TA train bound for Boston North Station is now on its way heading to Boston North Station from Melrose Highlands. This train looks like it's coming from Haverhill, Bradford. We got the train heading for Haverhill, about to arrive on track 1 here at Melrose Highlands. This train is heading to Reading. MBTA train heading for Haverhill, or I should say heading for Reading, is now leaving Melrose Highlands Station. Picked up one passenger. We're going down here in Andover. I'm at the Andover MBTA station, and we've got train 207 that is heading to Bradford and Haverhill, about to arrive here at the station. This is a flag stop, so I think it's going to stop. ETA 207 on its way to Bradford, leaving Andover Station. It is off to Haverhill Bradford Station. Things going down here in Ballardvale. Amtrak down Easter, heading to Maine. Come flying through Ballardvale. Going up to Maine really quick. Signals are going down here at Newton Junction. This is in Newton, New Hampshire. Amtrak down Easter coming southbound on its way to Boston. Down Easter on this rainy day. Here it comes. There's a Heritage on it, going back to Boston. On this rainy day here in Newton, New Hampshire. Got M426 coming through Exeter. Here he comes. M426 is heading to Portland, Maine. This was so unexpected. I didn't expect this. Track down Easter, heading to Boston, about to pull into the station here in Exeter. Going very slowly. Here it comes, pulling into Exeter.
Just said no. But it just said no. I think it's the bag.
listen to
down
my
Easter,
assistant conductor. It's not that hard, sweetie.
heading to
Not that
Boston,
hard, sweetie.
leaving
Not that
Exeter
hard, bud.
Station.
I'm really not, though. I literally am not the worst conductor. Literally follow my assistant conductor. Okay? This is the right door. It's not that hard, bud. Exeter side, middle side.
And there it goes, heading back to Boston. Off to Boston. Signals are going down here in Exeter Station. We've got a northbound Amtrak that's getting ready to stop here in Exeter and head towards Brunswick, Maine. About 10 a.m. in the morning. Signals are going down on the other side. And here it comes. I'm not positive, but I think this one might have the Heritage engine on it. Tail ending it. Not sure though, I hope. It's about to stop here in Exeter. Amtrak down Easter, leaving Exeter Station, on its way to Brunswick, Maine. Looks as if there's a lot of passengers on it. And there is no Heritage leading it. That's unfortunate. I thought there would be. And it is off to Brunswick, Maine.